And the unfortunate thing is, if you are leaning hard on your technical skill and disinterested in developing your leadership skill, you also fail to grow. You also get stuck. Kasi ang nangyayari, habang tumataas ang position mo, so individual contributor ka, no? Rank and file. So, importante yung technical skill, definitely. Kasi technical work yun. Pag na-promote ka sa susunod na level, sinusupervise mo yung mga kasama technical people, kasama doon mga bago, they will need to a certain extent some micromanaging, lalo na kung bago yung task sa kanila. You have to teach them. So your technical skill is still relevant, but hindi lang yun. You also need to learn how to be a good leader because you don't want to micromanage them forever. At some point, you have to say, itinuro ko na sa iyo ang lahat ng iyong dapat malaman. Humayo ka at gawin ang trabaho ng naaayon sa iyong kakayahan, di ba? Yun na, empowerment na yun eh. Because if you still micromanage people after after a year, hindi effective yung sistema mo, di ba? So yan. Ngayon, habang tumataas ang position mo, yung need for technical skill becomes less necessary. Bakit? Kasi magmamanage ka na ng mga tao na yung experience will be different from yours. Yung expertise nila will be different from yours. So anong kailangan mong ngayon? Kailangan matuto ka ng empowerment.